This paper airplane is an absolute beast. It can fly over 150 feet, locks perfectly at the nose for extra stability, and the craziest part, it's insanely easy to make. I'm going to show you how to fold it in 60 seconds or less. So grab one sheet of paper, and let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. First, fold your paper in half lengthwise and crease it sharply. Open it back up. Now fold both top corners into the center line, just like a classic paper airplane. Next, take the entire top section and fold it downward neatly. After that, grab the top right corner and fold it toward the center. Aim slightly above the point below. It doesn't need to be perfect. Repeat the same fold on the other side. Now, take the small triangle at the bottom and fold it upward to lock the layers together. Fold the airplane in half. Take this short edge here and fold it over to the left edge. Open that layer slightly, tuck the flap inside, and slide it neatly into the pocket. Now make the wings by folding each side down evenly. And that's it. Your finished Mystic Paper airplane is ready for launch. Let's see how far this thing can fly.